Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So this is the latest update of Dent coin to what's going on and what's prediction, my friends. Let's predicate this coin. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much everyone who subscribed our YouTube channel. My brother, Dent coin is very badly fails down from last 7 days. Therefore, I'm so sad, my brother. But what we can do, my friends, this time you can see after a very long time Dent is starting moving upward and especially come back, my friends, from a long time. You can see, my brother, after a short fails they take a very huge jump. So therefore I think this is very good moment for me, my friends, because in the crypto market, if our unique coin is starting moving upward, then exactly, my friends, we are starting absolutely, we are so happy, my brother. So this time you can see the chain occur will be positive of plus 16.21% to chain occur, and the price is come to 0.0425 USD dollar. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel. I already tell you, my friends, towards my prediction. My prediction is that, my friends, to in upcoming times they will go on up. So kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel.